Options. Payday Alerts is a subscription-based service designed to enhance options trading by providing timely and actionable trade alerts. It caters to both novice and experienced traders, offering straightforward alerts with specific details on option trades, including expiration dates, strike prices, and trade rationales. The service aims to simplify the trading process by delivering alerts through multiple channels like email and text messages, ensuring traders never miss a potential opportunity. Additionally, Options Payday Alerts includes educational content to help users understand the strategies behind each alert, making it a valuable resource for those looking to expand their trading knowledge. The platform's user-friendly interface, clear trade signals, and customer support further enhance its appeal. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, traders can try the service risk-free using a demo account. However, while it offers convenience and time efficiency by removing the need for extensive research, there are some drawbacks to consider. As with all trading services, there's an inherent risk of loss, especially in the volatile world of options trading. The service's reliance on hypothetical performance data may not always reflect real-time results, and market conditions can significantly impact trade performance. Additionally, the subscription cost could be prohibitive for traders with smaller accounts or those just starting out. Despite these risks, Options Payday Alerts offers several advantages, such as simplicity, accessibility, and educational resources, making it an excellent option for traders who want to save time and improve their trade execution. However, it's important to use the alerts as a tool and not rely solely on them, as independent decision-making and risk management are key to long-term success in options trading. Comparing this service with others, like stock market guides or the trading analyst, can help traders choose the one that best fits their needs and risk tolerance. For more in-depth trading insights and strategies, check out my Facebook page, Binary Option Strategy. Find the link to the page in the description of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.